there's like a big flashy failure, then you will get to record it.
Yeah. No loop. My clutch line is crying in here.
Try to make this job a little bit easier.
Irreversible damage. You're getting a lot of it for sure. That's actually really smart. How's the inside of the cowl?
Not bad at all, actually. You got the chunks in there,
Hey, not bad.
and then
Yeah. Painted pieces of Miata.
if you get damaged, you can sell these.
Rex coins. It looks pretty good from this side as well. On data. Miata data.
Yeah, that's dead.
Boom Miata. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a good fit. Right, the lower end is overbuilt, so it press fits. So I just need to.
Oh, that was close. There it is.
See it? Is it flush? I don't see it.
Yeah, it is actually flush. It's quite nice. Bottom end looks good. Yeah. That's a pretty good looking system.
It looks like I have some kind of contraption.